Now go over to the Queen, Empress Sativa, and the Unconquerable Band.
For far too long, Babylon I was in division. I say Africa for the Africans. Who wanna rock? Take I back to Africa, land of the Moors. I and my ancestors were rulers before Europe invaded, raided, traded, capitalized from slavery. Exist an ancient place, the black oasis, sunburned faces, most sacred melanin skins. Conquered kingdom transcending the continent of Africa. From beginning, first civilization of a carbon sovereign, great favors us and king. Build monuments, erect temples for offering, astronomical precision, that eagles are bewowing. Alchemists accessing knowledge of science of gnosis, and make you think them extinction of this being close. Never right we country, we can't accept them, can't impose them roses. Deprive this nation of its own resource. They profit while we suffer the loss. Still you better fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africa must all you every day. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step way up, step it to the rope. We try you. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africa must all you every day. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step way up, step it to the rope. Returning to the place on earth, these sunburned faces were inhabitants to first, fertile land desert, conquer to rule as Africans. I say we must reverse this curse is to remain in earth, thinking we were made to serve the motherland, awaiting her creator, sons and daughters, to restore the heritage and traditions of our fathers. Give up on our order, just we come to master, principle of the more and living in those and cleaners waters. Ancestors start up, knowledge that is start up, indicative to where they building pyramids them after. Riches of the continent, strategically plan events, implementing system of them new world order. Man-made disasters, invade and sharing waters, conspiring to cast a doubt as if black was the last stop. Any race to take a place when in Addis Ababa, on the citadel like us that will commencing ever after. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africa must all do that we do. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step way up, step it out the road. We try you. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africa must all do that we do. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step way up, step it out the road. The boy. Your man this. I'll keep Bulan. I do belong. So long we been in slavery, take I back home. Oh, ancient place of home, where Jah love to roam. I used to see I first was grown, see it and David shown. None bella only grown up soon. Out in the York of Covenant I've been. Speak with a party, yes, your family 40 acres. I'm you lost on the problem, and says the people. That's the way Babylon system will be turning. Jah righteous people start returning back to Africa, the sovereign nation journey. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africa must all do every day. Fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step way up, step it out.